Stem cell expansion on UniTantrix in spinner flask bioreactor. Why do we use three-dimensional dynamic culture to amplify stem cells? First of all, many literatures have suggested that 3D cell culture can effectively stimulate the cell status in the organism. The cell responses are significantly different between 2D and 3D culture, which can be observed in research dealing with both molecular signaling pathway and drug testing and screening. 3D culture more closely mimics the physiological environment than 2D culture due to the interaction between cells and the extracellular matrix. Secondly, 3D culture for cell expansion is more productive than 2D culture. 3D dynamic culture can enhance cell aggregation and promote oxygen and nutrient exchange efficiency. One bioreactor can replace the waste of many 2D culture vessels while reaching the required cell yield. Thirdly, 3D culture is very cost-effective. Operating a bunch of 2D culture vessels can be very laborious and time-consuming. However, the use of bioreactors with microcarriers can considerably reduce the cost of labor and time that is necessary for stem cell amplification. Therefore, the use of 3D dynamic cell culture improves the health of stem cells and the efficiency of the process. TAN-T UniTantrix microcarriers for 3D dynamic culture can be applied to various kinds of bioreactors to obtain high-quality stem cells. Microcarrier particle sizes range from 500 to 850 microns. The high porosity provides more surface area for cell attachment and proliferation. In addition, our experimental results demonstrated that TAN-T UniTantrix exhibits increased stem cell yield compared to competitors. TAN-T UniTantrix microcarriers show high optical clarity in the media, so it can be sampled and observed easily with an optical microscope to monitor cell culture instantly. High interconnectivity is also one of the main features of TAN-T UniTantrix. It allows for efficient exchange of nutrients, gases, and waste through connected interpores. Finally, TAN-T UniTantrix can be degraded with trypsin EDTA, and the stem cells can be recovered fully after culture. The operation guide of TAN-T UniTantrix can be easily divided into 5 steps. First, autoclave. TAN-T UniTantrix will completely swell through the standard autoclave process. The following steps should be operated in a biological safety cabinet. Second, culture medium equilibration. Water is replaced with your desired culture medium. Third, cell seeding. The required stem cells are directly added to the bioreactor. Fourth, cell expansion and sampling. Homogeneous sampling is required to estimate the cell numbers during expansion in the bioreactor. The last step is cell recovery. All TAN-T UniTantrix can be degraded by trypsin EDTA, and the stem cells in the bioreactor are then recovered. Next, let us watch the operating video to illustrate these experimental steps.